Battle of the Two Kings. In the early 1960s, there were two coffee shops in the small town of Donggongon separated by a comprehensive road and facing directly from each other. One of the shops was operated by Ah Wah and the other was by Ah Kwong. Ah Wah's shop was trading under the signboard known as King Ah, while Ah Kwong's shop was trading under the signboard known as King Me. Indeed, it was a battle between two kings. You may also wonder which king was the more popular among the Penampang folks during that period. One loyal customer of King Ah shared with me the following points. 1. It's claimed Char Siew Pau was first introduced in Donggongon by King Ah. 2. Penampang Studio was located on the upper floor of the shop, and was well patronized as it was the only photographic studio of its kind available in town. 3. Some said King Ah was also famous for its coffee, as the phrase, Kupi di Ah Wah, was commonly heard among the residents of Kampong Hungab and Kampong Puluduk. 4. Beside there was a famous fried noodle seller named Toi Moi, who married a Sino-Kadazan and operate a makeshift stall at the corner of King Ah's shop where the mee was wrapped with the aromatic Donggongon leaf. Do you agree that King Ah was the more popular based on the above 4 points? Please write your comments below.